Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. My name is Don Okoro. So we are going to be having our stock market weekly review. The market had a major sell-off as a result of the second wave of the coronavirus we are expecting in different states. So that created a very big panic in the market as we saw a very major sell-off. So despite all of that, the market still end up closing a little bit higher this week. So let's go ahead and look at our chart right here. We're going to start off by looking at the SPY. The SPY actually tracks the S&P 500. That's the top 500 company in America. So when we look at the SPY right here, just from looking at it, we can see that we were trading at this level. This is where we were trading at the $223, and we had that major sell-off. We sold all the way down to this level, and the market is holding that support level, and this very gold line is the 200 moving average. So that's where the market found our support level. It's kind of like the last man standing. It's standing, holding the market in place. If it breaks that level, that means the bear are in control of the market. As it stands right now, the market, it's still in control by the bull because it's trading above the 200 moving average. So that being said, we now have to keep our eye on that very level. We have to see what's gonna happen. Is the overall market, is it gonna continue holding that level, or are we gonna crack this level? This is where we need to pay attention now. Are we gonna hold that level, or is the market gonna crack that level? All right, let's just look at our shorter time frame. Let's look at our 5-minute 5-day chart and kind of see the picture of what happened in the last 5 days. I'm gonna go ahead and clear this chart so we can have a very good view. All right, so this is the last 5 days. This is what happened. This is where we were trading, and we had that major sell-off. And the major sell-off we had was on Thursday. The market was dumping because of the second wave of the coronavirus. They were saying that we are experiencing in different states. But if you see, the market keep finding our support level. Here is where that support level is found in, right here, and we keep seeing it going back and forth. So let's just keep that on our watch list, or let's just keep this level, knowing that the market is holding that level. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at the bond. Here is the bond, and like I said before, whenever the overall market is trading down, the bond and gold tends to go up. It's like an inverse. So, and that is what we saw here. The last 5 days here, this is where we were trading. This is the low. This is if you had bought it here, and this is the highest it's been. Okay, so that's to tell you that the market was trading down, and the bond was making some higher high and higher low to the upside. And if we go look at our yearly chart, from the yearly chart, you can see that it actually broke our 20-day moving average. So the market, actually, the bulls are in control of the bond right now. But we can see it's having a little bit of struggle because the overall market is not going to give up. And, so we have to see next week. We have to see what's going to happen. If the market is able to pick back up, that means the bond is going to go down. Okay. Let's also look at gold. Here is gold. If we look at gold, like I said before, we traded in a range. If you look, whenever we come to this level, it goes to this level here, it's gonna trade down. That's what we can see here. We're just in a range. It's not really going any direction, but you can profit from trading gold, because if you buy it on this support level and hold it until it gets to this point, you can actually make money from doing that, because we know that whenever it gets to this resistance level, it has trouble breaking that level. And in the next coming days, what's gonna happen is, if it doesn't break this level, it's gonna have a sell-off to the downside, and it's gonna try to go to this level. It's gonna repeat the same cycle. Okay, let's also look at the oil, which we're gonna use the USO. Just looking at USO, we can see that it's not really doing nothing. It also has its own sell-off from the overall market, because when everything is tanking, or when the stock market plummeted, other sectors in the market also joined, because of the panic from the second wave we saw. So when we look at the 5-minute 5-day chart, we can see it has its own sell-off. It was trading right here, the 29. That was the low, and we had the sell-off down to the $25 level. Okay, let's also look at let's look at TVIS. So here is TVIS, and this is from trading today. We traded all the way, the market traded all the way down to the $34 level, and it sold. It gave out all the gain. It gave out all the gain it got today. So if you had bought it here, if you'd like hedge and you bought it somewhere here, you would have been able to ride the wave to this level and make a very decent profit. Okay, and let's also go ahead and look at our yearly chart. If we look at our yearly chart, we can see, based on what we have here, this the TVIS is in a bull market right now, because we can see it's trading above the 20-day moving average, and we can see our 200 moving average. It's coming close to the 20-day moving average, and I'm thinking, from what I'm seeing, I'm anticipating we're gonna have a crossover. If we have that crossover, it's gonna create a very big push to the upside. Well, I hope you do enjoy this analysis, and if you do, go ahead and smash the like button, and also go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye.